So hi, my name is Rabaya. I'm an analyst at Wavestone, Hong Kong. It's better if I say I agree with everything, and my testimonial would pretty much be exactly the same. Something to add would be, I think in terms of the slides, it would be better if they're more efficiently designed to help us understand, because a lot of it is not cohesive, so it's hard to read. So that can be improved. And yeah, pretty much, I guess everything's the same. And in terms of how Paul has been with us as a trainer, I think he's excellent. We to respond to whatever we request. He's very helpful, and but sometimes I think we try to push him to go a bit faster just because we want to get through the content faster, as it is a lot, like the colleague described. Other than that, I think that would be my feedback.